All right, now it's time to work on our greens. Got my oxtails going. Now I'm gonna clean this meat up and get to work on them collard greens. Let's do it. Okay, so I got my meat on the stove. Got me some smoked neck bones. Now, that's just what I prefer for today. This is my greens. Got these out. Let me tell you something. I understand these came from the store. They already shredded. They claim they washed, but I wash mine off real good. But I'm going to tell you something. The secret to making these greens good, as far as I am concerned, you got to go through these greens. And let me show you something, baby. All this big old stem. I mean, some of these have huge stems. You got to get that stem out. Go through your greens and get that stem out. Pick some of that stem out your greens. Because to me, the stem makes it bitter. I don't know. It's just somebody... Then that's just me. I ain't saying I'm right. I ain't saying I'm wrong. I just don't like all that stem in my greens because that's, like I say, to me, that's all that stem just makes them bitter. Now my kale, I don't pick the stem out. I'm good with the stem in my kale. But my greens, oh, that stem got to go. So I'm about to grab me a bowl so I can separate them. I ain't gonna bore y'all with watching me take out some of these. Well, you know what? No, we're going to go through this a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Got my little bowl right here. There it is. You can hear the stem dropping. Oh, my gosh. You can hear it. Uh-oh. See? Let me put my little bag over here to catch these stems. And this is the thing. You're not going to get all of it out. Unless you just got some time on your hands. You're probably not going to get it all out. But you want to try to get out as much as you possibly can. Because I'm telling you, you do not want that stem in your greens. Because them suckers going to be strong. And you don't want that. See? And so far, I ain't really found no big ones. But yo, get that stem out. Look at this now. You know ain't nobody gonna eat no big old green like that. Come on now. They tripping. They just cut these up all ricocheted. See that? Some of the stem. The stem got to go. Like I say, you ain't gonna get it all out, but try to get some out. See that? I have to get that stem out of my greens. If I don't get some of it out, I'm going to get most of it out. Well, no. I'm going to get most of it out. Because I don't like too much stem. Now, and this is the thing. I used to just wash them off and cook them. Until I started realizing, first of all, why these stems ain't cooking. You know, like the rest of the greens. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to try this without all this stem. And pick them out. Because honestly, this is the purpose of buying them in the bag. So it's less work. And it is, you know, still less work. Because you ain't got to cut them up and all that stuff. But you still got to go diving for them stems. I'm telling you. Get them stems out of there. And then sometimes, you know, around the holidays or something, I might buy me a bunch of greens. Clean them up real good. Just not today. I decided, see, and this is the thing. They be just like that right there. Look at there. Get that stem out your greens, okay? I think y'all pretty much got the hint. I ain't gonna sit up here and pick the whole bag out and make y'all watch it. But I think y'all got the hint. Get some of that stem out them greens. Look at here, look at here. I'm telling you, you'll end up with more stem than greens, okay? So, I'm going to pick these. And once they picked and that meat done cooked long enough, we gonna finish our greens for today. And these are collard greens. Yeah, I wanted me some so bad. So that's what we having today, collard greens. I pick the stem at the greens. All right, y'all, I got my greens picked and washed. And in a few minutes, they gonna go in the pot. So I got my greens coming along. They good in season. I done brought them to a boil. I'm about to cover them up. And then by about 30 minutes, I'm gonna stir them up, okay? And we're gonna try these out later. So, this is the finished product of my greens. And they so good. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I forgot all about y'all. We were supposed to taste them together. And I don't know, I forgot. I went on ahead and tasted them, y'all, but they are bussin'. They so good. I hope y'all having a happy Sunday.